Hey everybody, Alex here from Old City Acres, showing you how we do our trellising in our tunnels, in our farmer's friend caterpillar tunnels we modified to grow in the 4 seasons. We have eye bolts that we drilled through the end hoop here and connected that to 14 gauge electric fencing line. Then we used L brackets from Home Depot and just hammered them really fast, flat. Then Tek bolted them on there, just ran the line on there. So you can see we have a bracket on every single hoop, all the way down. And we just have our cucumbers tied up to the ceiling. So this is a really cheap way to do it. The eye bolts each are like $1.50 each, I believe. The line, we got a quarter mile for $25, so that will do quite a few lines. And then each of these brackets was 30 cents and took about 15 seconds, if not less, to hammer them out. So yeah, it's a real cheap way to trellis your cucumbers, tomatoes, maybe even peppers. Hey guys, bye-bye.